Make a great choice today with the 2023 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, M Sport package, 4-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.